Grace God and Gritshall. Can't take my faith. This the remix. Let's go! Chain swings heavy, but my soul stay light. Walking through the valley, still my spirit bright. Diamonds on my mind, but the word in my chest. Enemies press, but I'm too blessed to stress. Can't take my faith, no matter how they try. Rooted in the truth, I'm lifted to the sky. Devils wanna snatch it, plot until they break, but the Lord my anchor can't take my faith. Hands to the heavens while my sneakers scuff dirt. Armor on my body, yeah, the scripture's my shirt. Try to challenge me, but my prayers cut deep. Make a hater tremble, watch the wolves turn sheep. Dirty South sermons with the bass real low. Psalms in my speech, every bar gon' glow. They slanging lies, but I slang the truth. Riding with the spirit since I busted out the boot. Can't take my